I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi using a QR code. First, ensure your smartphone or tablet has a working camera and a QR code scanning feature, which most modern devices include. Next, find the Wi-Fi QR code. It's typically a small square image. This code contains all the network details like the name and password, making connection super simple. Finally, confirm your device's Wi-Fi is enabled. Now let's scan that code. Open your device's camera application. Many phones automatically detect QR codes when pointed at them. If yours doesn't, you might need a specific QR scanner app, easily found in your app store. Center the QR code within your camera's view, holding your device steady. The scanner will quickly process the information, usually within 1 or 2 seconds, prompting you for the next step. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your device will display a notification asking if you want to join the Wi-Fi network. This prompt usually shows the network's name, or SSID. Simply tap Connect or Join Network to automatically input the credentials and establish your connection. In most cases, this process takes less than 5 seconds. If it doesn't connect, try rescanning or checking your Wi-Fi settings. Using QR codes for Wi-Fi offers fantastic convenience. You completely bypass the hassle of typing out lengthy, often complex, passwords, which can contain 20 or more characters. This method significantly reduces the chance of typos and connection errors. It's incredibly useful for sharing your home network with guests or for quick access in cafes and businesses. Enjoy seamless, instant Wi-Fi connectivity with just a simple scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.